It's Danielle here with the Lavender and Bergamot Kitchen, and I'm coming to you today to talk to you about sugar scrubs. You can also make salt scrubs, but they're just great for our skin to slough off all of those dead skin cells and reveal bright and new skin. Our skin is one of the biggest, or is the biggest organ in our body, and it likes to be fed. When we buy the over-the-counter or the commercial-made scrubs, if you look at the ingredients, there's lots and lots and lots of ingredients, and they're not necessarily good for you. And I want to just display to you how easy it is with just a couple of ingredients to make a really amazing scrub for your body that's also going to feed your skin. And so what I usually do is I take the jar that I'm going to use to store my scrub and I measure out the ingredients in there, because then this is what's going to fit in here. I have some of those amazing powdered orange peels, and I'm going to add those to make this really bright and invigorating scented scrub. Now I'm going to just pour those ingredients into the bowl. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to start, maybe about a half a cup, and mix it in, and you'll see how the sugar and the orange peel just absorb that oil right up. Mix it all together. And you want it to be a little bit sloppy but not too sloppy, but a little, because the sugar will absorb a little bit of that oil. And that's it. You're done. Now you could add a little bit of essential oil if you wanted to, but with that bright smelling orange peel, it's so bright. It smells so good. Now I would just put this back into my jar and use it in the shower. Now, with caution, because the jar is glass, if it were to fall on the floor of your shower, it might break. So if you have a plastic jar, that might work better. But use what you have on hand and use it with, as just slather it all over your body, because it's very inexpensive and you can always make more. So don't feel like you have to be precious with it. Enjoy it and treat yourself. So thanks so much for coming to the Lavender and Bergamot Kitchen. Enjoy!